Hey guys, Big B here. So I just got a package in the mail and I was gonna do a tabletop unboxing, but decided that I didn't want to wait. I wanted to get into this box. So we all know about wanting to get into a box, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up here. Got the CRKT Minimalist. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got. So my buddy that I made from eBay, actually, he reached out to me, said that he was gonna be posting a couple of blades, and gave me first pick on whether or not I wanted them, and I did want them. So I ended up selling a fixed blade to get both of these, but there's one of them. And there's that one. So make sure there's nothing else in here. Good. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this one first. This is the 86 Autumn Gold Jig Bone. And my camera's probably backwards, and I'll try to fix that before I upload it, but go ahead and take a look at this one. I've never handled an 86, so this is going to be a genuine first impression. So here we go. And right off the bat, I can tell you, I love the size. I was not expecting that. Holy moly. Look at that bad boy right there. Wow. Oh, great snap. And then we got the sheep's foot. Might be able to see the model numbers right there. Wow. Bone is beautiful. Very cool. I'm very happy with that one. Very cool. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at this one. I have this model. This is the 15 in antique yellow jig bone. I have this one in, I think it's Cocobolo. So I already kind of have an idea of what to expect. Wow. That is gorgeous. There you go. Hopefully I'm able to edit the video to where you'll be able to see that, but that is a gorgeous knife as well. Let's see. About a 6 on the pull, nice and snappy. That's a great little EDC size right there. Gorgeous knife. This one is from 2018. So yeah, man, I'm very happy with these. So my buddy that I made on eBay, he actually he watches my videos sometimes, so I'm sure he'll be seeing this one. So thank you. I appreciate the awesome deal. I really do. And they're gonna be treasured. So that's it for right now, you guys. Just wanted to share that with you. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, and as always, I thank you guys for stopping by, and remember, live life on the edge. Take it easy, guys.